Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here. Today I'm talking about an outstanding new cryptocurrencies exchange that builds for safety, trust, and most importantly, automated returns. BTDUex Exchange. You may not know them yet, but they hold license in the US, Australia, and Europe. In this video, I'll explain why their compliance matters, how their AI copy products work, and how you can earn up to 20% average monthly returns with zero time management. So let's start with the video. First, let's establish the foundation of this exchange, trust and compliance. BTDUex Exchange isn't trying to operate in the shows. They are globally licensed and fully compliant digital assets exchange. This means they adhere to the same high standards as traditional financial institutions, giving you peace of mind. Especially they hold regulators license in the United States, Australia, and multiple European countries. They've passed extensive international security audits, cementing their commitment. They've established a comprehensive regulatory framework and introduced institutional-grade custody and risk control mechanism. This commitment provides stable and reliable financial protection for users worldwide. User asset security and compliance operation are the core mission here. Where you're trading globally, you need an exchange that ensures your value knows no limits. BTDUex Exchange is built to be that reliable long-term partner. The BTDUex Exchange platform is powered by next-generation thinking. It integrates AI-driven quantitative strategies with a strong community ecosystem. Their cross-disciplinary term brings together the absolute rigor of traditional finance with pure Silicon Valley innovation. Their global development strategies is simple yet powerful. Serve the global market with unified technology standards while achieving value resonance through deep localized insights, respecting and integrating the practices of each region. This promotes inclusive growth in the global digital economy. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. The product that truly defines the intelligence of BTDUex Exchange, the AI Copy Invest product. This is why I say BTDUex Exchange is more than just an exchange. It's a way to earn smarter. The AI Copy products is your stress-free path to passive income. It leverages advanced quantitative strategies driven by artificial intelligence to execute trades on your behalf. Simply put, you are copying the success of proven automated strategies, removing human emotions and error from the equation. Let's talk numbers and performance. These products offer an average monthly return of around 16 to 20%. These are serious targets, far exceeding what traditional bank financial products can offer. And the best part, the profits are automatically distributed daily in your account. No manual claiming, no waiting. The platform makes it accessible to anyone. The minimum invest is only 100 USDT. Crucially, the principal can be withdrawn at any time. This gives you complete control over your capital while it works for you. This truly a zero-time management solution, allowing you to earn while you live your life. BTDUex Exchange has also launched a global partner reward program designed to motivate and reward community builders worldwide. This creates a self-driven growth flywheel, attracting new users organically and expanding their rapid growth confirms this is a long-term project. They aren't just aiming to be another exchange, they are accelerating towards their goal of ranking among the top 10 cryptocurrencies exchange globally. This is a project worthy of long-term trust and participation. So whether you are prioritizing a highly compliant platform for your trades, or you're ready to put your assets to work with the proven power of the AI copy products, BTDUex Exchange is a platform you need to explore. I have placed a direct secure link to BTDUex Exchange down in the description below. Click that link now. Complete your simple sign-ups and activate the AI copy products today to start receiving your daily automated profits. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.